Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Hey everybody, it's me, Kiera B, here from the K Studio, and I'm coming back at you guys to show you this amazing video, which is Tie-Dye 101 the very easy way. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe, share, everything. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoy it. See you! So the things that you'll need for this project is going to be a tie-dye kit, fabric spray paint, and I'm using the Tulip brand. You're going to also need some acrylic paint, some gloves, any kind will do, some rubber bands, any kind will do. These came in the tie-dye kit, and a hat. So any kind of hat will do as well. So here I already have my 3 sections of the hat sectioned off with rubber bands. I'm going to also have a cup of water right on hand. And I'm going to begin the beginning stages of taking the tops off of my tie-dye so I can actually begin to just jump right on into it. And I just have a napkin handy. So here I'll just begin to go for it. So I'm just going to begin to wet the hat right on up, all over the hat. I actually wet everywhere because I wanted the tie-dye to just leak and be really amazing. So I wet all over the hat, and I did this inside of my sink, as you can see, because it was better. So I started off with blue, and I just began to let it go all over where I saw fit. And now I'm mixing in the pink and a little yellow. And then I'm just going to do it sporadically all over. No real direction. I'm just doing it where I see fit and see necessary. And you'll begin to see those colors bleed in and make some really amazing colors. The blue and the yellow is making the green, and everything is starting to blend really well. And at some parts in this video, I apologize. My arm was blocking the view because of where the tripod was sitting. So I apologize in advance, you guys. Don't be mad. Don't kill me. I'm sorry. So I'm still going to go ahead and just put it all over where I see fit. And I'm going to continue to wet it in some places because this particular hat, the material wasn't amazing. So it was horrible at some points because the beginning or the front of the hat was just really stiff. So it'll just be hard at some parts because of the actual material. So you can see those colors are blending in super well. So I'm just going to pop my rubber bands off so I can begin to see where I have some white spaces left. And here I'm using my fabric spray paint, the actual purple one I started off with. And where those white spaces are, I'm just going to begin to spray. I sprayed a little pink in there. Then I sprayed the little yellow. I was just making it real funky. And you can see the colors, they are blending really well. You see the front of it, amazing. And now we're ending the final stages of the fabric spray paint and the tie-dye. So after this, you're just gonna sit and let the head. You can actually just let it dry, and then I'll come back and show you what we're gonna do with the acrylic paint. Amazing, so cute.